Stress directly worsens eczema via newly identified nerve pathway for years. Doctors and patients have recognized a clear but mysterious link. Psychological stress makes eczema, atopic dermatitis, significantly worse. Now, a new study provides the first definitive explanation of how this happens, pinpointing a specific nerve pathway that connects the brain's stress response to skin inflammation. The stress-eczema connection explained researchers at Fudan University in China, working with both human subjects and mouse models, discovered that when the body experiences stress, fight or flight, nerves in the skin activate immune cells called eosinophils. These cells, typically meant to defend against invaders, become hyperactive under stress and begin to irritate the skin, worsening eczema symptoms. The study began by examining 51 eczema patients, finding a direct correlation between reported stress levels and the severity of skin inflammation. This was further confirmed by elevated eosinophil levels in their blood and skin samples. How the pathway works. Brain to skin using advanced imaging and genetic analysis on mice, the team mapped the precise neurological wiring. Stress activates sympathetic neurons, the fight or flight nerves in the skin. These nerves trigger eosinophils to become overly aggressive. The result is heightened inflammation and a more severe eczema rash. Importantly, when mice were genetically engineered to have fewer eosinophils, the stress-induced worsening of eczema was largely prevented, even though the underlying condition remained. This suggests that eosinophils are a key mediator between stress and eczema severity. Implications for treatment and further research. The findings don't just deepen our understanding of eczema. They open up potential new treatment avenues. Managing psychological stress might become a more targeted approach to controlling flare-ups. And future research could focus on blocking the specific nerve pathways identified in the study. However, experts caution that many questions remain. How do different types of stress, acute vs chronic, emotional vs physical, affect this pathway? Are other immune cells or nerve types involved? Could this same mechanism be at play in other inflammatory conditions, like psoriasis or inflammatory bowel disease? It is unclear how different types of psychological stress engage the neuroimmune axis that the authors identified. Write immunologists Nicolas Gaudenzio and Lilian Basso in a commentary on the study. Given that up to 10% of adults suffer from eczema, which can cause debilitating itchiness, pain, and sleep disruption, any progress toward better treatments is welcome. This research represents a significant step forward in that direction.